Hello guys, welcome to Swift Communications GH. In this video, I'll be unboxing a 13 Pro Max. The version I'm unboxing today is a locked version. It's not a factory unlocked. And I'll be comparing the camera quality to this 12 Pro Max. This is a 12 Pro Max. The 13 Pro Max has two seals at the top and at the bottom. The color I'm unboxing today is a Sierra blue color. This is similar to a sky blue. The 13 Pro Max is identical to the 12 Pro Max in size and quality. Inside the box, as usual, we have the Type-C cable, and over here we have the warranty, the SIM card remover, the Apple logo. That's all that's in the box. There is no head for the charger. We need to get that separately as written on the box. No lightning cable and power adapter. As I said earlier in this video, this phone is locked. It's locked to AT&T, meaning it can't work in Ghana except to use a JV SIM. It comes with the AT&T SIM card. So once we insert our Ghanaian SIM, it should write SIM not supported. Let's activate the iPhone. The iPhone 13 is made of metal at the round edges, unlike the iPhone 7 that's made of aluminium. This feels like metal. It's same as the 12 Pro Max. Although the iPhone 13 camera lens seems a little bit bigger than the 12 Pro Max. Apart from that, everything is identical. As you can see, SIM not supported because this is a locked version. And also the iPhone 13, you have a smaller notch at the top as compared to the iPhone 12. Below the iPhone, every other thing seems identical. To make sure your iPhone is original to your IMEI should be written under the SIM card tray. So now we are doing a quick setup to take us to the home screen. Our previous video we reviewed an iPhone 11. That's this. This is a factory unlocked. So once you go to settings, about, and you scroll to the bottom, as you can see, SIM locked. Unlike this, it's showing no SIM restriction. Let's set up the Face ID. Okay, with that done, let's sign into our Apple ID. Over here, it will require for us to approve it for you to sign into this. So you need to click allow. I'll enter this code over here, 397418. Okay, it's signed in now. Over here, we can see the phone used to sign in, 13 Pro Max. We can see this phone, the 12 Pro Max. We can see the iPhone 7, that's this. So all your device you sign into your Apple ID will appear here at the bottom. Let's check out the camera quality. The 13 Pro Max is on my right. So over here, you can see the normal camera quality. And this is the zoom. Let's check out the video quality too. So both will be set to 4K, 60 frames per second. As you can see on the 13 Pro Max, you have better quality of camera. You can see more details on the 13 Pro Max too. Let's check out the selfie. The 13 Pro Max seems more clear than the 12 Pro Max. Let's check out the sound quality. The sounds are similar. There is no difference between the two sounds. Let's turn both off and see which one turns on quickly. So both iPhones are turned off. So press the power button at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. The iPhone 13 comes faster than the 12. Although both are fast, but the iPhone 13 came in faster than the 12 Pro Max. Thanks for watching, guys. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.